Mocha, why are you so scared at the clinic?
Of both of them, essentially.
You scared? Why are you scared? What? What are you whining? You're gonna get shot today.
That sounds
You
wrong.
remember, huh? So you're scared. This girl's scared. This girl's going wild. Hey,
Oh my God, there's two of them.
the sisters.
Sisters?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
You're like a little pup.
Uh-oh.
I know. Puppies always take it the worst. Yes, but that's it.
Mochi's turn now. You're done. Why are you still crying?
This ready? 1, 2, 3. I know.
It's
Puppies
okay.
hate shots. Puppies hate shots.